welcome back. Now, where was I? It's been a while. I haven't played in probably about a week. Anyway. Ow, the front of those things still hurts. Don't want to get cursed. God dang it, wrong button. Okay, it seems like the first hit on those things can move them back. Anyway. Now, before I forget, push this box down, fall down the hole, and now that I can double jump, broadsword. No, this is... Okay, that's a sweep. First decent sweep. I think for the difference in damage, I'll still be using the whip sword. It's only 4 additional damage, and I prefer the reach. Have to rezone. Could go around the long way, but I don't want to. Nope. Oh. Heart pendant. Guess I couldn't go around. It increases my luck. Luck increases the chance of drops. That's all it generally affects. So if I ever grind souls, I'll probably use that. But that's gonna be the only time. Evil Butcher. I forget if that's a good soul or not. It's got a low mana cost. Ow, that was dumb. It only hits one enemy. It can be spammed. Meh. Go back to the skeleton soul. I remember the trick to killing these things now. I believe hammer's over here now? Nope. Never mind. So where am I supposed to go now? I have an idea. God dang it. Getting up here is a pain, by the way. If you don't have the double jump, getting back up here is a pain. What's this way? Oh, something apparently. Don't remember what though. Could be derping. Let's see if I'm derping. I'm not derping. Holy shit. Hammer. And background thing that looks like an actual animal. I think there's a rare monster that spawns in this room, I think. Holy shit, it's probably a sweeping item, but it does a lot of damage, but it's also probably got very slow animation. Through the door. Whoa. Okay, I can make that if I use the flying armor. Ow, I'm getting juggled here. Holy shit. Gotcha. Get me out of here. Ow, I said out of here. I am getting my butt kicked at the moment. God dang it. Okay, that is a bad place. Oh, nice. Anti-venom. Oh yeah, one of these rooms. They're teleport rooms. Apparently I can teleport there. Just doing this to mark this on the map. They have a cooldown, as you can see by it filling up. Oh, for a second I thought those were like platforms. No, I'm going back this way. There's probably is something in those rooms, but I'm not going to risk it because I'm very low health. Out of my way. There we go. Now I'm gonna go see what's this way first. I think there was something up here. Maybe not. Thing is, I don't know how long I've been recording for. Forgot to pay attention to what time I started. So let's just hope there's a save point nearby up here. God damn it. Double tapping does not make you move faster. Level up. Once again, something we won't get for a long, long time. I think that's a Knuckles. Knuckles have very quick firing speed, but they are very short range. Killer Doll. Is that like all that's up here? It's a Killer Doll, that's it? And where the heck am I supposed to go? Oh. Up this way, I think. Nope, apparently not. Well, I'm derping. Where the heck am I supposed to go? This way? Because I know Hammer's here. May as well talk to Hammer. Hammer time. Oh, by the way, I believe this theme playing in the background, Hammer's theme, is actually called Hammer Time. Don't be shy. I'm not being shy. You don't have to be serious either. Anyone can name that quote? I'm going to sell some shit. Knife I have no use for. Short sword I have no use for. Bastard sword I have no use for. Whip sword's currently equipped. Bamboo sword's pointless. Hammers I hate. Reaper I can't stand. That I can't stand. Casual clothes, no point. Leather plate. Leather plate. Cape. Scarf I currently have equipped. So there we go. What do you have to buy? Castle map 1. Castle map 2. Oh, I now have 2 maps. God dang it. Oh well. Oh, wait. Bind up, anti-venom cure, base lard, combat dagger, reaper, hammer, broadsword, spear, gladius, scimitar, katana. Oh, the katana I believe I used for a while too. I'll buy it. War Fergus. Serve this as a sweep? Yes, it is. God dang it, Hammer, go away. Yeah, this I'm using. This does good damage, it's fairly fast, and I actually prefer sweeps. Okay. A little clueless, but not scary. It's weird, but it's convenient. Told Soma that, now I'm telling you that. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a part here. I'll start back up. I'm recording in bulk this time, so this is fine where I'm leaving off. Ciao!